Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a HTML tag to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the upper right corner, you'll be greeted by the option to log in. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account, after which we can now access all the sections we have right here at the left side screen, such as home, orders, products, and so on. They're going to enable us to manage our store. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started adding HTML tags. What we want to do guys is look right here at the left side of the screen under the sales channels. You want to go ahead and find the online store option. Click on online store. After clicking online store, this is now going to open up this new menu where you can see themes are going to be automatically selected, and it's going to open up this menu where you can take a look at the theme we are using, we can get started customizing it, and so on. So let's go and take a look at what we can do. Basically, if you click the three dots right here next to the theme name, it's going to open up this new drop down menu where one of the options is going to be called edit code. So you want to click on edit code. After clicking edit code guys, this is now going to open up this new menu where we can get started with editing all the code that we have in our store. And as you can see guys, one of the options is going to be called theme liquid. So you can find the theme, the option that you want to edit, and this is where you can get started inputting your HTML code to get started with managing what you have. So as you can see, this is our HTML code right here that you can go ahead and manage, add all your code that you have right here to the end or wherever you want, and after that just click the save button in the upper right corner, and once you have saved your options and you want to apply to your store, just go back, it's automatically going to save it and add your HTML tag to your store. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.